So to fix this problem, first of all, what you have to do is to tap on your power button for some while. Now tap on restart, then you tap on OK. And when you get your phone restart, your problem is going to get fixed. When you restart your device and it's still not getting fixed or it's still not fixed, this is what you have to do. First of all, go to your phone menu and scroll down below. When you scroll down, try to search for HMRC app. When you find the app, use your finger to tap on it for some while. Then after that, tap on app info. Now what you have to do when you get over here is to tap on permissions. Make sure you allow the camera and also storage permission. So after allowing it, go back and tap on force stop. Now tap on OK. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Make sure the background data is turned on. So after doing this, go back and tap on notifications. Make sure the show notification is turned on, and so as you can see, turn it on. Then after that, you have to what? You have to tap on the mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is also turned on. So after doing this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store to check for the updates. As you can see over here, we have update over here, which means I have to update my HMRC app. So what you have to do is to tap over here on the update, and when you tap on the update, you're going to get the latest update of this app. And when you do this, what you have to do is to restart your device. Don't tap on open after updating it. So tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK to restart your device, and this problem is going to get fixed. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.